In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Replit AI for coding, step by step, so you can start getting AI-generated help directly inside your code editor. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your usual method. If you're new to Replit, take a moment to sign up. The process is pretty straightforward. You can use an email address or a supported single sign-on option if you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Replit dashboard, where you can see your existing projects called REPLs and options to create new ones. Next, you'll want to either open an existing REPL or create a new one in the programming language you want to work with. To open an existing REPL, just click on its name in your dashboard and wait for the editor to load. If you'd rather start fresh, choose the option to create a new REPL, then pick your preferred language from the list, such as Python, JavaScript, or another supported language. Give your project a name if you'd like, and then confirm to create it. After a moment, you'll see the main editing environment with your files on one side and the code editor in the center. Now that your project is open, you're ready to access Replit AI. Look for the AI tab in the editor interface. The exact position can vary slightly depending on updates, but it's usually located in the sidebar or along the edge of the editor window. Click on the AI tab and a panel will open where you can interact with the AI assistant. This is your main space for asking questions, requesting code, or getting explanations. With the AI panel open, it's time to type your prompt. Think of this as a clear instruction describing what you want the AI to do. For example, you might type something like write a Python function to sort a list, or generate a JavaScript function that validates an email address, or explain this error message and how to fix it. The more specific and clear you are, the better the results you'll get. If your request has several parts, you can describe them in a sentence or two so the AI understands the full context. After you've written your prompt, submit it through the AI panel. Replit AI will process your request and then generate a response. For coding tasks, this usually means you'll see code appear in the AI panel, often with brief explanations or comments. Take a moment to read through what it produced. You can copy the generated code into your main editor file, or in some cases use built-in options to insert it directly. Once the code is in your editor, you're not done yet. Run it inside Replit to make sure it behaves as expected. If something doesn't work quite right, you can go back to the AI panel, refine your prompt, and ask for adjustments. For example, you might say, modify that function to handle empty lists, or optimize this code for readability. This back and forth is a powerful way to quickly iterate on your solution. That's all you need to get started. Log in to Replit, open or create a REPL in your preferred language, open the AI tab, describe what you need in a clear prompt, and then review and test the code that Replit AI generates. With just these few actions, you can turn Replit into a collaborative coding partner that helps you write, understand, and improve your code more efficiently.